The first thing I want you to do is actually watch this video. If the video is not coming up right away, go ahead and tap the middle of the white page and go ahead and push play. You're then going to be on the next slide after this, and you will be doing the task with your shoulder partner.
Round the number 2,561,190 to the nearest million, 100,000, 10,000, 1,000, 100, and 10. You'll notice that I color-coded the number to make it easier for you to follow along. So let's begin by rounding to the nearest million. As you can see, the digit in the millions place is the digit 2. That means that our number is going to either round down to 2 million or round up to 3 million. And all that means is that our number falls between 2 million and 3 million. So how do we decide to round it? Well, the key is the very next digit. The digit is a 5. If the digit next to the place value we're trying to round is 5 or higher, we have to round up. If it was less than 5, we'd have to round down. But our digit is a 5, so we're going to round up. So, rounding the number 2,561,190 to the nearest million gives us 3 million. Now let's try rounding the number to the nearest 100,000. The digit in the 100,000s place is a 5. So our rounded number is either going to be 2,500,000 or 2,600,000. So our number falls between these two values. So we look at the digit next to the 100,000s place, the 10,000s digit, and it's a 6. And since 6 is greater than 5, we're going to round up. So rounding our number to the nearest 100,000 will give us 2,600,000. Now let's round our number to the nearest 10,000. The digit in the 10,000s place is a 6. That means we're either going to round down to 2,560,000 or we're going to round up to 2,570,000. And to help us decide, we need to look at the digit in the thousands place. And that digit is a 1. And 1 is less than 5. So that means we're going to round down. So when we round our number to the nearest 10,000, we get 2,560,000. Now let's round to the nearest 1,000. The digit in the thousands place is a 1. That means we're going to either round our number down to 2,561,000 or we're going to round up to 2,562,000. And again, to help us decide, we need to look at the digit in the next place value. That's the hundreds place. And the digit there is a 1. And that's less than 5, so we're going to round down. Now we can round to the nearest 100. The hundreds digit is a 1. We have to decide if we're going to round down to 2,561,100 or are we going to round up to 2,561,200? Our number lies between these two values, but which number is it closer to? Well, we can decide that by looking at the tens digit. The tens digit is a 9, and 9 is greater than 5. So that means we're going to round up. And finally, we can round to the nearest 10. The tens digit is a 9. So we can either round down to 2,561,190 or we can round up. Now this one's a little tricky because when we round up, the next 10 after 90 is 100. So we're going to round up to 2,561,200. And to help us decide if we need to round up or we need to round down, we have to look at the next place value, and that's the ones place. And our ones digit is a 0, and that is less than 5. So we're going to round down, which means we're going to actually stay with the given number.
You and your shoulder partner will now complete this task. You will both have papers to actually present to me or in the class to justify your answer. So go ahead and stop the video, and you and your shoulder partner will now work together. Now you and your partner must complete this task. Use the numbers above to build 3 numbers that round to 50,000 when rounded to the nearest 10,000. You're going to write each of the numbers on a sticky note so you can move them around to find your answers. You're going to put them on the lines. Then you're going to pick one of the numbers above and explain why you got that answer using words, numbers, or pictures. Go ahead and shut off the video and begin.